What you got there, bud?
Bloody Mary.
Ain't good?
It's alright.
Try it.
Yeah.
Hold that. Come on, we can do it by here. Did you cut that up like that?
Yeah.
Don't ever do that again. Come on, let's do better. All right, let's make some Bloody Marys. First, take your tomato juice. We grab the V8 into black pepper. Why not? You know?
Fancy.
Give it a shake. We're going 6 cups of this. Anyway, if you get this exact bottle, it's that whole bottle.
That's 6 cups.
I'm sure look at that. Anyway, 3 whole limes, juiced. Squeeze. If you have the old citrus juicer, do that. Save your wrist. Next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of grated ginger.
Hey,
That's you.
that's rude.
Don't want a whole lot. It's really, really powerful.
That's great.
Not you. Horseradish. It's not bloody without horseradish, right? Woo! That adds a lot of your spice to your bloodies. They almost always have a whole bunch of horseradish. Anyway, 2 tablespoons. Now, gonna add some W sauce. Pretty standard in the Bloody Mary world. Just kidding. Actually, I don't know if everyone knows this, but this is often made with anchovies. So vegetarians, might want to check your label. Instead of that, what you're gonna do, a tablespoon of soy sauce. To make up for that sweetness often found in the W sauce, we're gonna add a little brown sugar. About a tablespoon. Just loose pack. Now, we're gonna add a tablespoon of garlic. Jarlic, in fact. Good and good for you. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Chipotle Powder. That'll give it some smokiness to it and a little spice. I've worked with a couple chefs that in a pinch, if we didn't have it, they would use chili powder and a drop of liquid smoke. If you need to do that, go for it. It still works. Now, next is the pepper. It's already the hint of pepper V8, so we're just gonna add a little bit. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon. Next we've got celery seed. Very powerful. Easy on it. So 1/4 tea. Very powerful. Obviously, if you want more, add more. Okay, now we need a 1/4 cup of jalapeno juice. You can use a can, you can use a jar, do whatever you want. As long as it's got the vinegar, the acid, the salt, a little bit of heat. Dump it in there, 1/4 cup. Now, fan favorite, pickle juice, 1/2 cup. All right, and now we blend it. All right, so we tasted it. It's good, but it's not where we want it. So we're gonna add some more soy sauce. Another tablespoon of the garlic. And another tablespoon of horseradish. Give that another zip and we'll check it out.
So to rim or skewer into these Bloody Marys, we're gonna use little ciabatta buns and make grilled cheeses with Munster and Brie. Because that's that new hotness. Instead of butter, people are using mayo. Personally, I don't get it, but we're gonna try it. I don't advise doing this with your bare hands. Steve and I have been doing this for a long time and we have desensitized fingertips. It's real hot. This is kind of what you want to see. It's just so it gets browned like it would normally with butter. We're gonna start with this one. Toast the other side. They don't take much. It's not hard to burn these things either. So, that's about what you want it to look like. Again, don't do this with your hands because they're real hot. But you just want to get the cheese melted because this is gold. Hey Steve, where'd you get those chips?
Found them.
Oh, you found them. Weird.
Let me get this magical bit of magicness. Cheersing?
Just,
Cheers. Where's a straw?
you know.
Oh, okay. Oh, you mean cricket. Is that chips?
Yeah. Sure is.
Oh yeah, the chips are great. That is good. You like it?